Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have a special video. I have a really cool box here to open up for you guys right here on the channel. It's hard for me sometimes to understand why these things happen to me and why really special people come into your life sometimes and do things for you that, because like the way I was brought up was to always work hard, but nobody in my family has ever followed their actual dreams. They just kind of like did blue collar stuff, worked hard, whatever. And so for me to go out and just like completely just to follow my dreams and not have anybody really support that besides you guys, and then also like nobody in my entire life has ever given anything to me ever. Obviously, when I was a kid, getting like Christmas presents and stuff like that. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about just somebody just going out of their way and just like doing something for you that means a lot to you. Not only just to like support what you're doing on your channel, but to just like also, this person has already saved my life once. So, very grateful for Elizabeth for hooking me up with this helmet. So this is a Shoei X-Fifteen. I'm not going to show you guys which one it is yet because you're going to see in a second. I know which one it is, obviously. I have never seen this helmet in real life, but I just can't even hold it in anymore. Let's just freaking open this thing. It's the Shoei X-Fifteen. It is a gift from Elizabeth Wanders. This is the third helmet that she has bought for me. First helmet that she bought saved my life in a car accident or motorcycle accident, and then she just continues to support everything that we do on the channel and everything. I didn't ask her, she just does this stuff, and it's just like nobody ever, it's hard to say no to her. You don't really say no to her. She just does what she's gonna do. Like if I say I need a new helmet on my channel, I'll have one in the mail the next day. And it's like, what do you do in that situation? like nobody's ever given me anything. So it's like, I'm very grateful for her. She has become a very good friend. We don't talk a lot, but she's still like the mother of the channel, like basically. And so let's just go and open this thing up. Storm's gonna freak out because we got a new box. Sorry guys, she's gonna be, maybe you shouldn't tear that up just yet because we don't know how it's gonna fit. I did measure my size and stuff in the shop. Oh, man, this is so exciting, guys. I desperately needed a new helmet. Both of my Arai helmets are falling apart completely. So first up, pin lock. Came with the pin lock. So that's pretty sick. Not a lot of helmets do that. Got some foam. Really nice cover. Oh my god, I can already see the paint job through it. Oh my god, guys. In the bottom here, we have, like, it looks like just some extra padding. Oh, you got that new helmet smell, baby. Are you guys ready? Wait till you see the graphic on this thing. This is way better than my Arai. And let's just pop this thing open, dudes. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh man. Oh shit. Oh jeez. Man, that's hard. Oh, that goes so hard. Oh my lord. Dude, this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. It's kind of shady weather out, but it's really hard for me to not want to go on the bike right now. Oh, that's going to go hard. Oh my god, this is so sexy. Dude, this helmet is actually insane. Let's just try it on. It's an extra small because I tried one on at Cycle Gear. when I decided that I wanted a Shoei X-Fifteen. Oh, perfect. Perfect. It's perfect. Shit. Oh my lord. It's a little tight. Not gonna lie, it's a little tight. It's fine. I got the extra small because I want it to be tight. Not like my Arai was always a little bit loose. They get loose after a while. One thing I noticed is with the helmet. So that's why I sized it down. Gosh, why do they put these stickers on? Oh, I see. It's an actual whole thing here. There we go. Oh my goodness. It's one of the very few helmets that actually looks so good with a clear visor. Look at this thing. Look at the back. So this is a Daijiro Kato helmet. He was a racer that died in 2003 in a crash. So it's just a beautiful pearl white. Number 74, solid number. Another reason why I went with this one. You guys know I love lime green and red, and this helmet goes hard in the paint. This paint job was also on the X-15s. I'm sorry, the X-14s. We'll get a visor for it. I do have the GoPro mount for it. This is beautiful. Always get the helmet that has the, dude, it fits perfect. No, it fits absolutely perfect. What do you guys think? This helmet goes hard. Oh my lord. I know, Storm. Definitely can't have that box. Yo, this helmet's tough. Man, what do you guys think? 10 out of 10 or what? Good choice? Elizabeth's a genius. She just sends... I mean, this is the helmet that I picked, but it's also sort of her recommendation. Premium padding. A lot of people ask me, because I always have nice, really helmets because of Elizabeth. This is the $4,000 helmet that she has bought for me. So I've never had a cheap helmet. Except for the one that I bought when I first started riding. I've tried cheaper helmets on. The KYTs are garbage compared to these, I'll be honest with you. The only one that's comparable to this is the Arai Corsair X and the Alpine Stars R10. Every other helmet is trash. These are just super premium compared to these other helmets. And this padding is awesome. You can make an argument for the Pista GTs that are, what, $2,000 almost or something. But I just don't think they're as good. The graphics are definitely not as good. And this is a sick helmet that I have not seen a single person with yet. At least yet. Now that I'm going to do all my videos with it, you're going to see everybody with it. I guarantee it. It's just beautiful. So thank you so much, Elizabeth. We're not going to be able to do a ride with it because I don't have the mount yet, I don't think. And we'll set that up and do it with first ride. You guys will see that video here in a few days. But this is just an absolutely gorgeous helmet. Man, it's just so nice. I can't even believe how much detail is in like this digital coating in the blue. I guess that's the North Star on top, maybe number 74. Just kind of like shadowed into right here. The eyes on the back that are, obviously like a Japanese anime type figure. I'm not sure, maybe his favorite one or something. This helmet in particular, the X-Fifteen, is Snell rated, ECE rated, DOT rated. So it's all three, which is very rare. This is one of the safest, nicest helmets that you can currently buy. This is the Mac Daddy right here. And I can't wait to feel how it feels on the road. It's a shame I got to put all that crap on it, the GoPro and everything. I was telling Elizabeth that I didn't really want to use it for a vlogging helmet because it's just terrible to this so light. Actually, it's way lighter than the Arise. Yeah, it's lighter. You can feel it. Definitely lighter than the Corsair X. The Corsair X is a beautiful helmet. Don't get me wrong. All those helmets are gorgeous. But this thing is just so... Look at how slick that thing looks. You just look like you're going to be a rocket. And gosh, that's going to look so sick on the bike. Man, absolutely beautiful. I love it. So, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Again, thank you, Elizabeth. Absolutely beautiful helmet. You know, I'll take care of it, and hopefully it doesn't have to do what it's supposed to do, and it just keeps us looking awesome on the bike. That's really, yeah, hopefully it just keeps us looking good on the bike, and it doesn't have to be utilized the way it needs to be. But it's beautiful. I love everything about it. It's my first actual, like, really standout graphic helmet. I mean, the Tatsuki Suzuki was pretty sick graphic, but everybody started to get it. I've not seen a lot of people with this one yet, and I'm not really sure why, to be honest with you, but they make it in two different colorways. I love red and lime green. I think it looks so good, and I also hate when helmets match the rest of your gear. I think I've said that in a few different videos, especially some of my older ones, where people are like, oh, it doesn't match your boots, it doesn't match your jacket, it doesn't match. I don't like that. I think that looks corny. I think it looks way better when, like, your gear is kind of like matches somewhat, but then you have like this wacky, crazy helmet because it's the helmet. It's just like, it's supposed to be something different. It's not supposed to match, like, only like maybe little hints of things, right? Like maybe, you know, little hints of red in the boots and stuff, and like that's why I think these look so good, because you could just do anything. I can put blue boots, I can put red, I can put green now. I mean, I can do black, it's going to be fine. Anything that I do pretty much is going to look sick with this, so that's why I like these. Anyway, guys, that's what I got for you. Again, thank you, Elizabeth. I love it. And yeah, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.